guys, welcome back to our channel.
LettuceEat. My name's Luke.
I'm Tyson. And today we made some fettuccine Alfredo.
Vegan, right?
Yep.
Yummy. I'm excited. I can't wait.
I'm hungry.
Yeah. Me too.
It's been a long day. On to our taste testing of our Zoodle
And
Fettuccine Alfredo.
yeah. with our Parmesan crust topping. I can't wait to
Our
try.
nutty Parmesan topping.
Our nutty, glorified Parmesan.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I like it.
Me too. Definitely has a nice little, just a tiny kick to it, which I'm glad that we did.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is gonna be
Yeah,
difficult.
interesting.
'Cause I'm still wrapping my noodles, my zoodles.
Zoodle. This is really good, guys. You should definitely try this at home.
And it's super easy, it felt like.
Yeah.
For the most part, all you had to do is cook the cauliflower.
Yeah. Blend it all together.
And blend it.
Blend it, I say.
2 thumbs way up.
What are you doing? I didn't cut any of my noodles. I just left them the same length. Don't choke on that. That noise! It sounds like you're dying and slurping at the same time. I did not appreciate it. I didn't. Get out of here! I don't know if the Heimlich would work with that either.
There's nothing lodged in your throat except the noodles. That's 20-foot noodles sliding down your throat.
There's only 6.
Oh my god. So good. Kind of reminds me of gravy for some reason.
Yeah, I got the same texture. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and give this video a big thumbs up. Appreciate it guys. Have a good one. Bye!